Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a project called Laboratory Management System. Basically, patients will have some tests if they have any doubts about their health, if there are doubt about that they might have a diabetes, so they want to do a blood test to check whether they have the blood diabetes or not. So for that they will consult a laboratory, run tests, and with those blood reports and samples, if they want to, they will consult a doctor. This is a normal process which will happen physically. So, but for those reports and all, if we can maintain them centralized, which can doctor and laboratories and patients, these three bodies, these three characters can able to see the reports at a time, will be so useful because it keeps the records of the patient's progress, like if he have any diabetes, what is the stage, how many tests he had run, all this stuff will be centralized in a single form. So for this purpose, we have created this application, laboratory management system. In this website, patients test results, test appointments, what is the prescription that is given by the doctor to the issue, everything will be saved in this website so that patient can have a complete knowledge about the progress of his health and everything. So this is an amazing idea that keeps the health records of our patient. So let's look at the flow diagram once so that we can have good understanding of this website. In this project we have four modules: admin, laboratory, doctor and patient. These four characters will log in their respective modules. In this project, admin will have predefined login credentials such as username and password. As admin, as username and password is also admin. With those login credentials, admin will log in. Admin's work here is to verify the laboratories that is going to be which are registered in this website. We have to provide authentic and reliable service through this website, so that's why admin is the one who is responsible to verify the laboratories and doctors as well. Admin will view the all laboratories who are registered in these websites and verify them. After verification only, laboratories or doctors can able to log in into their accounts. As we have seen, yeah, laboratories have to register by themselves by giving their name, email address, laboratory details, etc. After verified by the admin, laboratories can able to log in. After logging into the accounts, laboratories will add the test they will do in their laboratory. So these are the tests. When they add in the test, what will be the test will be and what is the description of it, they will add. Laboratories can view the lab tests they are running currently in their lab. So let's see in the patient module so that we can clearly understand the flow. Patients have to register by giving their name, email address, phone number and some other details. After registration, they can easily log in with the email and password which they have given while registration. After logging into their accounts, patients can view the tests available in these websites, like how many laboratories will add the tests here. These tests will be visible to the patients. Patients can view the tests and they can book the appointment by giving which date they want the appointment, and they have to mention whether they have the prescription with them or they don't have. They will mention it and book the appointment. These appointments will be sent to the laboratories. Laboratories will view the appointments. Here they can accept the appointment request, they can reschedule it. If the schedule is completely full, laboratories can reschedule or even reject it. Because if there is no service no longer available, laboratories can even reject the appointment request as well. When the request is accepted, actually the physically we can say they run the tests, and the laboratories will upload the reports of the test results about the such patient. These records will be saved here. Now, you know, here patients have the ability or privilege to even cancel their appointment before it get accepted by the laboratory only. After that, laboratories uploaded the reports of the patients. These now doctors will can view the test results by searching the patients. We can say here in this project we have this concept that with these reports patient will consult a doctor. After doing checking all the results and all these things, doctor will write the prescription for the patient's issue. So these test results, patients need not to carry it physically or any paper form. They can easily consult the doctor by saying their name. My name is such such. So I have this run test. So doctors search the patient's name and they can view the test results. Based on the test results, doctors will write the prescription and they can view the prescription which they have given to the patients. After consulting the doctor, having the test, everything, patients as well, they can see the prescription given from the doctor. If the laboratories reschedule the appointment, patients have to confirm it, because laboratories are available in that date, patients might not be, so they can even accept, confirm, or they can cancel the rescheduled appointment as well. After all these things, even patients can see the test results as well from the laboratory. They can view the prescription as well. So this is the flow of this website. Let's see the actual website. This is the homepage of laboratory management system. We have 4 modules here. Admin is the default, have default credentials such as username as admin and password as admin too. Now we have seen that admin will view the laboratories and doctors. So let's log in, register as a laboratory. Laboratories, if they have account, they can easily log in, but every laboratory should register first. So for the registration, they have to give their name. They have to give their name, laboratory names. Phone number. An email. Password they have to give to log in. Register. Let's log in as a doctor, register as a doctor as well. Doctors, we have to give qualification, phone number, how many years of experience the doctor have, Gmail address, what is the gender of the doctor, male or female, password. About the doctor, they have to upload their image, and register. Doctor register successfully. Let's log in once and we'll see what will happen. Because we got unauthorized. We have known that admin have to verify doctor and laboratory. After that only they can log in. So let's verify the accounts. View doctors. These are all the doctors that are available right now who have registered in this website. So we can see authorize. View laboratories. These are the laboratories which were registered in our website. So admin will view their profile, their name, phone number, everything, and authorize them. Now laboratories can log in. This is laboratories homepage. They will add the lab tests. thyroid test. Yeah. The tests are added, so these are the tests, lab tests. Now, for now, will be no appointments. Let's register as a patient. Patients have to give their name, everything. Let's John, patient name and phone number. They have to mention their age and their email address. They have to choose their gender as well. Register. Yeah, password we have to give. Registration successful. Now patients can log in. There is no need for verification for the patients here. This is patient's homepage. They can view the tests by clicking on the test. They can choose it from the laboratories. So if they want to visit Heal Good Laboratories, they can get the tests. This is the test they are currently running. If they want to check for the thyroid, they have to click on book appointment. They have to choose the date. If it is today, so they can give it. If they have to select whether they have the prescription or not, they can select prescription not available. Appointment. So here they can cancel this appointment as well. Let's log in as a laboratory so that these appointment requests will send to the laboratories, right? Appointments, click on appointments. Laboratories can see the appointments by selecting the dates as well. Now laboratories can accept it, reschedule it or reject it. Now let's look at accept. This slot is confirmed. So let's say the lab slot is confirmed. So the physical tests have run for the patient who have appointed. So then things happen. So now the laboratories will upload the results for the patients. Yeah. And test is they'll mention normal or abnormal. What is the result? Reports uploaded. Laboratories can view the reports as well. This is the test result, test reports, so text document. Yeah. Now doctors can see it. No, sorry. If the login credentials doesn't match with the registration details, the system will throw us an error. Yeah. This is the doctor homepage. Doctors can search patients by their name. So we'll search for John. So yeah, this is the John's patient's results. When they click on test document, they can see the test results. These are the test results will be visible like that. And test result is high thyroid levels and uploaded, so doctors can view this. And now let's see, they can write the prescription as well. some tablets, you can say. So these are the prescriptions that are described by the doctor. So send prescription and send successfully. Now patients can log in. They can view the tests and they can view the prescriptions. This is the prescription that is described by the doctor. The time and date always will also will be displayed. Patients can view the test results as well. These are the documents or the reports that was uploaded by the laboratories, and everything goes like this. This is all about the website. Hope you guys understand. Thank you for watching.